my name is Caitlin Griffin. I'm in the 3rd grade. My STEM fair project is called Sweet Science, the Melting Ice Cream Project. Has this ever happened to you? You order your favorite ice cream on a hot summer day, and before you can even take a lick, it is dripping down your arm. To help reduce the risk of this problem, I researched which ice cream flavor melts the slowest. The ice cream flavors I tested were natural vanilla, extra creamy vanilla, chocolate, extra creamy chocolate, and natural strawberry. Ice cream is an emulsion, which is a type of mixture made of ice crystals, fat, sweeteners, air, and other solids. These factors can all have an effect on how quickly ice cream melts. The research I conducted indicated that ice cream flavors with a high sugar content and lower fat content should melt faster. I was able to determine the fat and sugar content of the ice cream by reviewing the nutritional labels on the ice cream containers. The research also showed that the amount of air in the ice cream emulsion is another important factor in determining how fast ice cream melts. However, I was not able to test for this factor because the amount of air in a mixture is not provided on the nutritional labels. The experiment I conducted was designed to test equal-sized scoops of different ice cream flavors and expose them to room temperature to see how much ice cream melted from the scoop during a specific amount of time. I recorded the weight of the dripped ice cream to measure which ice cream flavor melted the fastest. My hypothesis was that the extra creamy vanilla ice cream would melt the fastest because, according to the nutritional label, it had the highest sugar content and lowest fat content of the tested flavors. What surprised me was that after reviewing the data from the experiment, it was clear that the hypothesis was incorrect. The results showed that over the course of 3 trials I conducted, extra creamy chocolate melted the fastest, followed by chocolate, then strawberry, then natural vanilla, and last was extra creamy vanilla. Contrary to my hypothesis, the extra creamy vanilla actually melted slower than all of the other ice cream flavors, even though it has the highest sugar content and lowest fat content. Therefore, another factor that was not tested, such as the amount of air in the mixture, must have affected how quickly the ice cream melted. The findings from this type of experiment could be used in the real world to help create an ice cream mixture that has a slower melting rate. If ice cream had a slower melting rate, it would stay solid longer, which would be helpful for shipping or transporting ice cream. Also, ice cream shop owners might have more customers during the summer because the ice cream will not melt as quickly in the hot sun. And it could make the world a happier place because people can enjoy their ice cream without having to worry about it melting quickly. I hope you found this experiment interesting, and when the summer comes, remember to order extra creamy vanilla ice cream to avoid those drips. Or you can do what I do and just eat your cookies and cream ice cream really fast. Thank you for watching.